EFG International Review, Honest User Experience with Swiss Private Banking Services. Swiss private banking is synonymous with trust and discretion, and EFG International is a major player. I explored their services to provide an honest user experience. Most people assume private banking is only about wealth storage, but the surprising truth is that EFG offers comprehensive wealth management, investment advisory, and estate planning tailored to high net worth clients. I found their approach highly personalized. Each financial plan was designed around my goals, risk appetite, and long-term strategy. Account opening was thorough but efficient. Swiss regulations require compliance checks, which EFG handled professionally. From there, I gained access to multi-currency accounts, investment products, and digital banking tools. Investment management stood out. Advisors provided detailed portfolio recommendations with clear risk analysis. I could invest in equities, bonds, and structured products, all supported by transparent reporting. The platform also allows real-time account tracking, making it easier to monitor performance. Security and privacy are top-notch. EFG uses advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and strict privacy policies to protect client data. The discretion and stability of Swiss banking added confidence in using their services. Fees are on the higher side, typical of premium private banking, but the value lies in personalized advisory, global access, and comprehensive wealth management. In conclusion, EFG International delivers high-quality private banking services that go beyond simple wealth storage. For clients seeking tailored investment strategies, financial planning, and robust privacy, EFG provides a trusted and professional solution.